Have you ever had the curious sensation of itching, bleeding, burning, or pain in, well, a slightly embarrassing location? Perhaps it is time to get to the bottom of this uncomfortable mystery. You may be the victim of hemorrhoids, or varicosities of the hemorrhoidal venous plexus. While this may sound like the intriguing title of an upcoming sci-fi thriller, this is essential medical jargon for a royal pain in the butt. Hemorrhoids are dilated blood vessels located directly next to or just inside the anus. Buildup of pressure in these connector vessels causes them to bulge under the skin. The slow-moving blood in these dilated vessels may clot, creating a hard, painful knot. You will most likely notice hemorrhoids as itchy or painful bumps that cause bleeding with bowel movements. Hemorrhoids are extremely common, affecting nearly 1 out of 20 adults. You may wish to remember this at your next business meeting when one of your coworkers is acting uncharacteristically cranky. Hemorrhoids are even more common in those afflicted with such medical conditions as constipation or pregnancy. Blood with bowel movements is never normal, and your doctor should be involved with uncertain cases. Your doctor would be happy to inspect the area in question, for this is why doctors make the big bucks. Treatment for hemorrhoids involves avoiding straining with bowel movements, treating constipation, weight loss, if overweight, and the application of ointments or creams. Rarely, large hemorrhoids may require surgery. Hemorrhoids are rarely dangerous, but can be recurrent and immensely annoying. They are sometimes extremely painful. Fare thee well, fellow hemorrhoidians, and may your future be free of varicosity.
Hi there. I just wanted to give you guys a big thanks for giving my dad relief from his long-standing hemorrhoids once and for all. Hemorrhoids are something that are very annoying and make you very uncomfortable. My dad suffered so much, he even kind of started to lose his appetite, knowing that after he enjoyed his meal, the pain would be coming back and just not worth it, he said. I just felt so sorry for him. It's really hard to see your dad suffer. He tried a bunch of creams and prescriptions, sometimes found some temporary relief, but the hemorrhoids always came back eventually. He started to refuse to leave the house, just even taking family trips with us and whatnot. He finally asked for help. I was kind of surprised. So since I'm a big online researcher and a firm believer in holistic solutions, when I found your 5-step program to prevent and permanently cure hemorrhoids, I wanted to believe that it was possible. But I found myself a little bit skeptical. When I found out this program had helped thousands of men and women around the world, I thought I could give it a try. Now, the intense research is really what convinced me to download the guide in the first place. I shared the program with my dad, knowing he's a little bit skeptical too and not really sold on holistic remedies. I knew he wouldn't just jump in right away, but I was pleasantly surprised when he was willing to give it a good, honest try. I guess he was totally frustrated with our past efforts. I feel kind of guilty, but I got over it and I just wanted to see him happy and out and about more, so we both agreed to go on the program and take it seriously. Now, I'm extremely happy to say that my dad is out of the gate 45 days now with a great response. After trying it all and getting little to no relief, my dad has finally seen remarkable reduction in his pain and suffering and overall symptoms. We're both so grateful for this program, so thank you so much for giving my dad a second chance at a whole new confidence to wander out into the world again. There are no words to say when you see a loved one get back on his or her feet and just look motivated again. All I can say is thank you, thank you, thank you 1,000,000 times over. Thank you.
Take a few minutes and check out the link in the description. This may be exactly what you're looking for.